quick overview and introduce highlight features of WORKPRO 20V Cordless Hedge Trimmer. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. The 20V Max Li-lon battery will last long when fully charged, and it can be quick charged about 1 hour. It has decent power for an electric trimmer when doing garden and yard work. The cordless gardening tool is only £4.63, 2.1 kg without battery, also portable for women to take it anywhere. Lightweight and maneuverable, it gets the job done. The 20-inch length and 1/16-inch thickness of cutting blades up to 5 8-inch cut capacity, which is approximately 1,350 strokes per minute, easy trimming of most bushes and hedges. Full wraparound handle and handguard design will provide great comfort and control while cutting. You can also cutting in different directions through the grip for front hand. If you're new here, don't forget press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.